Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Duckcast. So today we are going to be unboxing some more Hot Wheels cars. I have 5 of them today, but hold on. First, let me show you some new shoes that I got. So I got Crocs, and that's what it looks like right now. And then this one has that one on it. So, come here, boy. Nope.
What are you trying to get to?
No, Winston, look at the camera. Look at the camera, boy. No, look at the camera. Winston. Okay, he's gone. He's gone. So, without further ado, let's get these cars. So, first one is this one.
What?
So.
Whoa. What? Cocomelon. Let's see what's going on here.
Pretty cool. Next one. Ooh, I want to save that one. I like the drippy cars. Alright. Next we got this one. It's a really weird one too.
How why he was putting it on today? Yeah, I thought some of it.
That's a pretty cool car. Pretty good. Oh, I got the Batmobile. This is a original.
Beep, beep, beep. Oh.
Yo, that looks sick. Pretty cool car. The Batmobile.
Ah.
Oh, and this is the one I wanted to see for last. This is a pretty drippy car.
What? What? They going down it? Yeah.
This is a pretty cool car.
Really? Are you mad because you got the hiccups?
This was a pretty cool car unboxing. I got this one, this one, and this one. Oh yeah, if you hear Cocomelon, that's my baby brother. He is, my pap is playing Cocomelon for him. We got this one. I like this one a lot because it has a helmet on it. It's weird. But yeah, that's all the cars I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.